If you ask a chemist about organics chemistry, you'd hear something along the lines of, chemistry is life, yay, so much fun. Yeah. But don't worry, we're here to lay straight to you about organic chemistry. So here we go. Draw My Life Organic Chemistry Edition, with our main talents being alkyl halide, substitution, and elimination. Now, if you think of it, all great stories have a strong beginning. So at first, organic chemistry seems like a lot of carbons uniting to form these clique-like groups to help them function with stuff like alcohol outside of their AA meeting. These clique-like groups would like to be like ring chains or straight chain compounds. Anyway, let's not lead them off any of the straight paths, so we stick to alkyl halides since they're so vulnerable. But then again, vulnerability is the birthplace of creativity and change, so maybe that's why we adapt to so many different mechanisms according to the conditions. Anywho, let's not get too deep into it the first time around. We'll break it down to you real simple. Now, if we call the alkyl halide a couple, it's easier to understand these mechanisms. If the couple breaks up for whatever reason, okay, Chris Brown said it best. But according to the conditions, another compound can replace the halide in the alkyl group. It's important to note, however, that the reaction of alkyl halides typically involve either substitution or elimination pathways. This is depending on the various factors of the reaction mechanism. You can then predict if it's SN1, SN2, E1, or E2, or sometimes a combination. However, in E1 and SN1, when the couple breaks up, the alkyl group tries to play the field for a little while, being single as a carbocation. Eventually, however, a compound then comes to keep the single carbocation company. In E2 and SN2, however, all this happens in one stage. The couple finds out it's not working out, and the alkyl already had another person lined up in the back. But just like any couple's relationship, I guess they'll have their reasons as to why they broke up. These reasons can be translated as to why there's a competition between these mechanisms. Thanks for listening. That will be all for now. This was brought to you by Garthlyn and Zoe and Garthlyn.